If you are planning to do masters in Germany, then you must know about these two important examinations which you need to qualify to do masters in Germany. TestDAF and DSH. First, we will talk about what is TestDAF. TestDAF is a German language test which is basically conducted for 3 hours. There are 5 different levels in TestDAF: TDN1, TDN2, TDN3, TDN4 and TDN5. What does TDN stands for? TDN stands for Test DAF Niveau Stufe. So there are 4 sections in Test DAF: reading, writing, listening and speaking, and majority of the universities in Germany ask for TDN 4 level certificate. So if you have TDN 4 level certificate, you will be eligible to apply for the major of the public universities in Germany for your masters. You can give this exam multiple times in a year. The score or the certificate of TestDAF is valid for indefinite times. You can perform this exam in TELC Center as well as Goethe Center. There are many TELC centers in India, for example like Kerala, Agra, Jaipur, Trivandrum, Mumbai, Chandigarh, etc. DSH exam is performed in German language, so your proficiency in German language should be very good. There are basically 6 levels in German language: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. If you have a proficiency of B2 level, then you will be able to clear the DSH exam. DSH exam is conducted 4 times in a year and the exam certificate is valid for 2 years right from the time you have given the exam. So basically there are 3 levels in DSH exam: DSH1, DSH2, DSH3. The DSH exam is conducted orally and written. The oral section is 25%, the written section is 75%. So this was all about TestDAF and DSH. And if you are planning for your masters in Germany, make sure that you clear either of these 2 examinations to secure your seat in one of the best public universities in Germany. Thank you.